I tried 3 Forex signals for a day. Is it actually profitable? I've also hidden a picture of SpongeBob somewhere in this video.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
If you manage to find it, you will gain 1 month free access to our VIP trading group. Okay, boom. TradingView has a section on their website that shows technical indicators all in one page. They have a lot of other interesting data and statistics here, but we will mainly focus on their buying or selling Forex signals. Okay, so in total, we will place 6 trades for this experiment. We will place 3 trades with my own technical analysis plus the TradingView indicator, and the other 3 only with TradingView indicator, no further input from myself or any other software. And we will see what results can you get. All of the indicators, oscillators and moving averages are telling me to sell. We may also want to have a look at the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, but it's not as important. Only on the 4-hour time frame the oscillator is telling us to buy. So looking at Euro USD now, with my own analysis, I have the monthly downtrend, the monthly uptrend, area of resistance and area of support. Once we zoom in a little bit on our monthly time frame, we can see a new lower low. This was the previous area low. This is a new candlestick low, which suggests that the market will plummet down. Okay, so this is Euro USD weekly time frame, and what did we come up with? So we can see a nice downtrend over here, a nice area resistance, support, double top scenario. So usually after double top it plummets down, and it did. Also a M formation, as we can see over here. Usually after this the sellers come in and start crashing the market down. So very similar scenario to the monthly time frame. We can see a nice weekly area of sensitivity here, and it was broken with a nice push towards the downside, bringing this trade into a new lower zone. Now the daily time frame, as we can see, a nice squeeze pattern, probably gonna break, and it did over here. Push, exhaustion, push scenario, very likely gonna continue to move down. 4-hourly and 1-hourly time frames are pretty much reflecting what the daily is doing. We just draw a few more lines. We can see a nice downtrend over here. Uptrend was broken, started the consolidation pattern, which is nice. But what we want to do now is activate a few indicators. Once again, 25, 50 and 200 moving averages. Since the technical analysis over here is telling us it's a strong sell, what you want to do is just reconfirm that with yourself on the 1-hourly time frame, and it's definitely a sell. So we're gonna place this trade short. Okay, we are on Euro USD, sell the trade, boom. So USD Japanese yen, as you can see, the monthly, weekly and daily time frames are all nice buying directions, which is good. That's what we want to see. We can see a downtrend that has been broken towards the upside. We can see our resistance and support zones as well. If we add all 3 indicators, we can see that all indicators are below the candlesticks, which shows bullish pressures there. Buyers are in the market. And the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame, everything is trending towards the upside. We recently had a bullish engulfing candlestick on the 1-hour time frame. We also have this psychological level, which usually reacts to USD Japanese yen currency pair. It's going to be a strong resistance zone, but since we have space for movement, very likely it's going to be a push, exhaustion, push scenario. So since everything is trending towards the upside on USD Japanese yen, we definitely want to buy the trade. Okay, I cannot find any trades that I actually like with my own analysis plus TradingView. So what we can do is just place random trades just following TradingView. I'm very intrigued to see whether it's going to be profitable or not. NZD USD, all buys, oscillators, moving averages, the monthly time frame, oscillators neutral, which usually means space for movement, but who knows? I haven't analyzed this yet. So as I said, NZD USD buying order, let's go. Okay, USD Swiss franc definitely showing a buy signal on the weekly and the daily and the 4-hourly. So let's just go and buy USD Swiss franc. Click OK, boom. Okay, so instead of the 6 trades, we have 4, and that's totally fine. We have NZD USD, which is minus $760 at the moment, and USD Swiss franc, which is also $40 in the minus. So using only TradingView indicators really did not work out. You have to have your own analysis. Once we analyzed a little bit and agreed what TradingView was telling us, we had Euro USD with $600 in profit. We also placed USD Japanese yen trade, which is currently minus $30, but it definitely was in profit, but I just did not close the trade. As you can see, it was 34 pips in profit. Now it pulled back, but I believe if I keep this trade running, it will eventually reach this area zone or our psychological level, which is where would be the most logical price level to close off our trade. So making money simply by following TradingView signals is not efficient, but you know what is efficient? Checking out this new trading video. It's super good.